Hi friends, welcome to the Infotech channel. For more updates, please subscribe my channel. So in this video session, we will learn HTML list items. In the HTML list, there are nearly three different kinds of lists available in HTML. So HTML lists are used to create list of information, and we can also place images, text, links, line breaks, and etc. inside of the list items. So there are different types of list available in HTML. So you can see here. So I'll write what are the three different types of list in HTML. If we open this notepad, so first one, another list. Another list. And next we have order list. Order list. And we have description list. So these three different kinds of lists available in HTML. One is order list, another one is unordered list, and description list. So unordered list is used to create list items in unordered. That is no order can follow the unordered list. Whereas the ordered list, it is also used to create list related items and in specific order. So if we write the order list, the list item will be follows order here. So we'll discuss with the example using order list. And coming to this description list, so it is easy to create a list related items and their description. I'll show the example for this each and every list. We get a clear understanding about this list items. So in this video session, we will explain order list. So order list. So we discussed about order list is nothing but it's the list related items and the items will be in the order. In the order list is to create OL element. So OL is a tag which represents the order element. Which represents the order list. So we can write order list using OL tag. So we can call it as a OL element, and also we can call it as a tag here. And list item will start with list item. List item will start with li. So all this list item will start with li element only. So this is a pair tag. So the pair tag comes under this. So I'll just write the syntax for order list. So syntax for order list. So syntax for order list is it follows. I told you that order list starts with OL element. OL close. Inside of we can represent with the list items. li close. So this is the syntax for writing order list in HTML. Now, so using this order list, we can produce a number of items in the HTML. So we can place the elements, we can place text, we can place the images, we can place links also. So let me discuss with an example for this order list. So we have a Visual Studio. Let me open this Visual Studio. And here, so we can create a new program. Use Control N to create a new program, and you can save the file. Control-S, and here we can write list items. HTML order list. So here I'm writing HTML order list dot HTML. Click on this save here. Now the program will be saved here. See here I use the shortcut shift and exclamatory and click on this enter to get a HTML program. So here, so we don't want this meta tags. So this meta tag will be expired in the future sessions. So I just remove this meta tags here. And now for this title, we just rename it as order list. Order list. So we created the program. Now we need to write order list here. So before going to write this order list, so I'll, for our understanding, just make comments here. So to make the comments, we can use a control question mark in the keyboard. So use control and question mark. It makes HTML comments. Now we can write here order list. Order list. So here, for our understanding, I'm taking here H3. I'm taking the H3 tag. Just write order list. Now I can run this one on the browser. Opening default browser. Sorry. So you can open in the Chrome. Right click, open it on the browser. Select this Chrome. Now it will be open here. Now look at this. So we can order list here. For this one, so I can apply some font size for this one. So here I'm taking internal style sheet. Take the comment. So just by internal style sheet. And here take the style tag and inside of style tag. So here I'm saying I'm taking the selector as a body. So body I'm taking here. For the body I just apply font size. Font size I need 40 pixels. And I also need these margins here. So I'll explain this margin now at the time of this concept in the HTML. So right now I'll just explain margin left. So margin left is a property which will gives a left side some gap here. So some white space, some indent of space given in the left side. Now I need 70 pixels, or if you want you can give 100 pixels also. So I need 100 pixels indent of space in the left. That's why I can use this margin left 100 pixels. Now let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this one. So it will give the 100 pixels gap in the left side. It will give the 100 pixel space in the left side. Now we'll write the syntax here, whale tag, and take the list items. So here we can write the fruit names. So I'm taking this apple. And take one more fruit names. So like this, taking the 5 fruit names here. Grapes. And we just write orange. So I take one more li. Just take the date here. Now we can run this one on the browser. Go to this browser, just reload this page. Now look at this one. So order list, replace the order list. And also look at this order list can follow us. See, order list follows order wise. So first one to take 1 and second one 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So every time the order list follows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So if you want to take one more list items, what will happen? See, so I'm taking one more list. Just copy this one and we can paste it there. Now we can paste it one more order list. So go to this browser. Now look at this one. No matter we can take n number of order list, it is always starts with the one only. So it is always starts with the one only. Why? Because it is an order list. It is always starts with the first order. So if you refresh here, look at this one. Again, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here, if you don't want to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, now we need to start with 6, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. So for that one, we can use one attribute is called. We can use one attribute is called start attribute. Start is an attribute which tells the order list where to start from. Which tells the order list where to start from order. Now here, open this Visual Studio. You can write start. You can write the start here. The start. I'll mention. I'll start from the 6. So this order list will be start from the 6 onwards. Now go to this browser, reload this page. Look at this. So this order list starts from 6 onwards. Now you can, for our understanding, we can write here. So take history. Just write using start. Using start. Now go to this browser. Just reload this page using start. Now look at this one. Every time it displays numbers only. For a change, I don't want to display this numeric here. I need alphabeticals. I need to display alphabeticals. For alphabets, so we have an attribute is called type attribute. We have an attribute is called type attribute. So I just copy entire OL and I can paste it below this one. And here we can write type. We can write type at the type. We can write type here. If you place capital ABC, if you place the capital A here, the order list follows. If you refresh this one here, the capital list follows. The order list follows capital letters. And if you write small a, so this order list follows small ABC. And I'll just copy this one. Sorry, I just copy this H3 and I'll place one more list item. So this time I don't want to display this alphabets. I need to display Roman numbers. So for the Roman numbers, we can use I here. I stands for Roman. So here I use I. Now let me go to this browser. Just reload this page. Now we get this Roman numbers here. Roman numbers here. And here we'll discuss about this start from 6, right? Now what will happen now? I need to reverse numbers. I need to print it in the reverse. Now you can copy this one and you can paste here. Just copy and you can paste it there. So here we can write reverse. And so I need, instead of 6 here, I'll provide 100. I need a reverse from 100, 99, 98 like this. So here we can use an attribute is called reverse attribute. So reverse is the attribute which makes the order list in the reverse order. Let me go to this browser, reload this page. Look at using reverse, we get the reverse here. And go to this Visual Studio. So here also we can make the reverse order. We can make the reverse order, and also we can make start from 100 itself. So type I. So we can use start 100. We can tell the order list start from the 100, the two Roman numbers, and we can, if you want, you can use the reverse also, the reverse order. And reload this page. Now look at this one. Like this, you can use order list. And also, so if you don't want to display this 1, 2, 3, 4, now if you don't want to display this one, to remove this numbers here, to remove this one. So we use to remove this one. So we use a property is called list style type none. So list style type none is a property in order to remove numbers besides the list items. So here you can use the style tag, inline style. Here we can write list style type. Here we can write none here. Let me go to this browser, reload this page. Look at this. We just use numbers here. And if you want to apply color for this one, color for entire list, just write this background color, which will give the background, color for this body. And you can write this color, just write yellow. Now go to this browser, just to this page. Look at this. So we place color for entire list items. So like this, the order list will be